Welcome to hybrids.co.nz. In this video, we show you our development, Japanese to English conversion of the instrument cluster, also known as speedometer or combination meter, in Honda CR-V e-HEV. We can also convert Honda CR-V Petrol version. All menus and warning messages in Japanese imported Honda CR-V instrument cluster were in Japanese, and there were no user-accessible way to change them to English. We identified few hundred Japanese phrases, some of which you can see in the first half of this video. We translated them all to English. This video shows various menus and warnings before and after conversion to English. Menus have multiple layers, and it's not that easy to navigate through those when they're in foreign language. See for yourself. After conversion, various menus are displayed in English. The multi-language selection of European languages has also been activated, so that if you prefer Espanol instead of English, puedes elegir Español. Apart from normal driving conditions, any warning messages will now pop up in English. This is not a DIY procedure. You need to show up in person or courier your instrument cluster to us in Auckland, New Zealand. We could also sell converted units. We provide our services New Zealand-wide to Australia, UK, Europe, and Japan. Call us on WhatsApp or mobile for quotes and bookings. Thank you for watching.